Right, what are you doing?
I'm gonna make a mojito. My very own recipe.
Yeah.
My very own recipe of a mojito.
Well, you say it's your own recipe, but when you were on holiday, didn't you?
No, but I really don't know what they put in it. I just looking. And so,
But you copied the cocktail, the cocktail barman.
Well,
so we've got lime, lemon, mint, lime juice,
the dark brown sugar,
lemonade, and
a white rum. Any white rum that you can use. And salt.
Yeah. Are you gonna have some?
Oh,
You
yes.
want to try, Mer?
I really like this one.
I really like it. What about that one? Right.
So what are you doing?
I'm just chopping the lemon.
How do you chop it? Into quarters? Slices?
I'll just do it like this. It's up to you. How do you do it, right?
Yeah. That is very own John's recipe. This time,
But slightly copied.
I improved it.
Yeah.
You've been to how many bars and did you like their mojito?
Tell us honestly.
Honestly, this is the best recipe.
Oh,
I'm just gonna make one for now.
one that is for you, Dave. That is for the very special person.
VIP.
Yeah, the VIP.
I like it.
Yeah.
That one.
And
And just squeeze all that juice in there.
have you already washed it?
Yeah, I've washed that one already. Just squeeze. Look at that.
Juice now.
Mm.
Alright, and put some mint.
Fresh mint, so you're
Fresh
picking off the
mint,
leaves.
yeah.
Yeah.
Pick the leaves. I like loads of mint.
So do I.
Mint is a move.
Yes, I it is.
Mint herbuena.
This is
probably.
herbs. You can use it as herbs.
It's a medicine as well in the Philippines.
Mojito.
No, I mean it's this one. The mint.
You can use
I like
the
this medicine.
you can use the crushed ice or this one cubes. I just usually just use the cubes.
Oh, sorry.
We lost one.
Missing one.
Just hang
yes.
on, I forgot the shot glass. This is my measurement for the rum.
White rum.
It's a big shot glass.
Is it? Yeah, it is.
It's about
I think it's about two shots.
Yeah, probably two.
Yeah,
Maybe
two.
maybe three.
Mm-hmm.
Hang on.
Sugar. 1 teaspoon of sugar. And put another one. Half.
Yeah, something like that.
About 1.5 teaspoons
Yeah,
of
teaspoon
sugar.
of sugar and
A little bit of salt,
little bit
just
of salt.
tiny bit of salt.
I think is
Just a
it 1
pinch of
pinch?
salt.
Yeah, a pinch of salt. And pour all the white rum. The what is it called? The lemon juice.
Lime juice.
Lime juice.
Lime? Oh, lime juice.
Squeeze.
On a lime juice.
Lime juice, yeah. And to finish it.
Lemonade.
Just for
Any
lemonade.
lemonade. But usually you use
I
a
just,
diet.
I just using the diet lemonade.
Yeah, because we're on diet. We're on diet. We have an audience.
I'm drinking it.
So we have an audience there. Mary, you can try this one if you want. Oh no, this is for the VIP per.
And
Sorry, and for a little bit of
a decoration. Voila!
for the presentation and a very posh mojito with a straw.
Alright.
Very
Try it.
posh. Try. This is a review from VIP. Speechless.
It's really nice. It's very zingy.
Ah.
It's really fresh. Sweet. You can taste a little bit of the salt. Really like it.
Made by
I'm making for me and Josephina.
we go together. Oh, that is for the proper presentation. Finished product.
I like drinking this in summer.
Mm-hmm.
It's refreshing, isn't it?
It is.
Sugar. Oh, honey.
Sugar and beside it is asuka.
Asukan.
Well done, Kiki. Azúcar. So,
Salt is asin.
yeah, asin. And 3 shots of white rum. Oh, it's running out. But we have a spare.
Got plenty. Don't worry.
Oh well.
You came prepared.
You need to put some more lemonade.
It's lemonade. What,
Just
now?
put it right to the top. Yeah, that's it.
Okay, I don't know about that.
And then you just mix
I
it.
think that is needs more lemonade as well.
Okay, that's it.
Okay, finished.
Right, just see.
Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers for the new year.
Cheers. Not yet. Really good.
The best mojito in the world.
It's really
Yeah.
nice. And I'm not kidding, it's really good.
Yeah. Really good.
Agreed.
Lami.
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 Woo! Lami.
It must be strong.
Yeah. Effective.
Very quick.
It's really nice.
Alright.
One.
If you like the video,
click the likes and share.
And please subscribe. Cheers, guys!